This is one of the simplest methods to earn money online because it doesn't require any prior experience, the sale of affiliate products, or gaining social media followers. Simply copy some content and then paste it somewhere. You'll be able to make much more money if you watch this video through to the finish because I'll show you 3 more opportunities to do so. We'll also show you how easy it is to earn money online. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Now let's get right to work. So I can demonstrate to you how to continuously earn money using Google News. It won't take more than 20 minutes to complete this. And I'll demonstrate how to choose from different payment methods if PayPal is not accessible in your country or you prefer not to use it. As a result, you have a variety of alternative payment choices, such as bank transfer and others, if you decide against receiving the funds through PayPal. Anyway, let's get started with step 1. Go to www.google.com. In the next stage, search Google News. Once you've identified it, go to the first official website you discovered, news.google.com. The most current news and articles on a variety of topics from around the world can be found here. It is comparable to a newspaper in that you can find anything on it, with a website that provides news on politics, business, technology, sports, science, health, entertainment, and anything else you can think of right now. How are you going to make money? And how will you obtain the complimentary funds from PayPal? Keep viewing this video to learn how it's done. As a result, the left side of the page contains all of the categories and global news. The state of the globe today is the subject at hand. We won't discuss your current local news because we only want to debate business, science, sports, entertainment, and health technology. Now, for instance, if I select the category for health, all the most current news and articles about health will be displayed to me. Let's take a look at this website and see what we can find. Consequently, I think this newly published essay is fascinating. It's a lovely poem and lots of people would like to read it. Reading this article is the only action remaining to take. Don't worry, you won't need to offer anything or produce any articles. Furthermore, none of the marketing techniques, affiliate, media, or otherwise have any bearing on this. Simply open the page and begin copying the content. The material we saw on Google News will be pasted into this box on spinbot.com. The website we'll be using to help us rewrite in stage 3. I'll duplicate this for illustration purposes. You could use Spinbot to fully rewrite the article in your own words, creating a truly unique piece. 3 different websites will pay you for your contributions as you use the information I provide to make money there. For some of them, you can get paid $1 per word you compose. As you can see, writing essays with thousands of words can be very lucrative. To rewrite it, simply copy and paste the text from the story into this box after finding it. Then press finish. To finish this human puzzle verification, slide the piece into position so that it fits the puzzle. You can see that even though we've rewritten the entire post for you, the context is basically the same but new terms are used. It entails writing it with your own terms and synonyms. You can sell that original and updated content for money on the 3 websites mentioned below. Anyway, navigate to eatingwell.com, which is the first website we'll be using. The writings you produce for this website will earn you money. As a result, you won't have to put in the days of laborious article writing because the Revising to Live service is doing it for you. It's simple to write original, excellent tales with Google News and Spinbot, and you can get paid up to $1 per word. This is the first webpage as a result, and I still have 2 more for you. Anyhow, you can make up to $1 per word on this website, which means that if you compose a 500-word essay, even though it only took you 20 minutes to copy and paste, you can still make $500 for it. To actually submit your papers for payment, you'll need to scroll down a little bit on this website until you find this part where you can get their contact information. Simply copy their email address, sign into your account, and send them an email with the subject submission of material or something comparable. Include a file with your own piece that you wrote in the email as well. Following your submission, they will check your correspondence, and if everything looks good, they will request your payment information. It is highly advised that you complete this form by clicking the link text instead of using any other method. If you want to be paid through PayPal, you will let them know and then provide them with your PayPal and email accounts. However, all you have to do to request payment via bank deposit is include your bank details. The same holds true for other payment options. Your choices are essentially limitless because new content is added to Google News every few hours. You can copy your articles, use Spinbot to rewrite them, then paste them into a Word document or save them to your computer in order to send them to these websites. As a result, you should submit your content to eatingwell.com first. The second website, sierraclub.org, also accepts story submissions. On their website, you can view this as well as contribute your own stories by simply adhering to the guidelines. To contact them, write them at this address directly. You are welcome to copy this and paste it in your email subject line. In the subject area, type submission or content submission. It is highly advised that you complete this form by clicking the link text instead of using any other method. You can submit stories to sierraclub.org that aren't just about health, much like you did with eatingwell.com. You will be forced to study anything there is to know about science or technology. To have an article on technology rewritten and sent to the sierraclub.org email address, open the article, copy the text, and paste it into Spinbot. Dailystore.org is the third and final website where you can contribute your content. For more information on how it functions, see their submission rules. Although you will get paid a little less through this website, it's still beneficial to use because it enables you to maximize your results while also making some additional cash. The main benefit of this website is that they only request up to 2,000 words from you in exchange for 31 cents per word in payment. Even though it costs 31 cents less than the other two websites, the overall deal is still favorable. 31 cents per word isn't too bad considering how quickly the expense adds up. Your potential to earn money will ultimately increase as you submit more articles to these platforms. Of course, not every application will be accepted. However, copying and pasting could still bring in hundreds of dollars each day even if you only get one per day. Nothing was free, and there was no delay. By browsing Google News, you can use this method right away. Choose a topic from the list on the left, browse through the items there, find one you like, click on it, copy the content to make it special, and then submit it. You can continue doing this forever and profit significantly. I sincerely hope you gained some helpful insight from this film. In conclusion, you can use the method we demonstrated in this video to develop original methods to earn money or even your own unique ways to improve the method. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel or more future updates. Thanks for watching.